Last month I was at 50 subscribers and this month I am at 10,000 subscribers. Guys, it's a whole lot of growth for me. Like, if you are struggling to get subscribers on your channel, guys, this video is for you. I am going to be giving you guys the tips, my strategies, what I did to get my 10,000 subscribers in 30 days. If this is a video you love to watch, continue watching, guys. Let's get into the video. Hi lovelies, my name is Queen Alice and you're welcome to my empire where I share YouTube growth, live streaming and a lot of short videos. So you're welcome to my channel. I want to share with you guys my strategies of what I use to get my 10,000 subscribers in a month. I want to share with you guys there are things we need to do as a content creator. When something is not working for us, we need to learn how to move to the next step. Okay, I want to share with you guys something I did different because it is channel I've been building for like past 3 months. I was getting like low views, 5 views on my channel, 10 views on my channel. Highest I got was 15 views on my channel. I was worried, I was sick and worried. What could be the things I was not doing right? I keep asking myself, is it my thumbnails? Is it my title? Is it my description? Is it my hashtag? What is the thing that I'm not doing okay? Is it that I'm not okay? Is it that I'm not looking nice? What is my wrong? What have I done to you, YouTube, that you have not decided to favor me? I keep asking myself that questions. What are the things I am not doing right? And this is what gave me the motivation that I should learn from people that have been there before. I should learn from them. I decided to do more of like visiting people that are doing better than me. I decided to visit their channel, check 1 or 2 things they are doing right on their channel, things that is making them to be getting views, things that is making them to be getting subscribers. And guys, it works. So let me share with you guys my first strategy of how I got my 10,000 subscribers. So let's get to it. So guys, what has worked for me exactly was that I started posting like 4 videos weekly. Yes, when I opened the channel newly, I was posting 4 videos weekly. Yes, then it got to a point because I was posting like 4 videos weekly, the video were not getting views. So I stopped putting much energy. I said that, okay, why will I be posting 4 videos weekly and the thing is not giving me views, I'm not getting subscribers? I just, okay, let me be posting like 2 videos weekly. I moved from 2 videos weekly, I moved it to 1 video weekly. It even got to the point that I got angry. I stopped posting because why will I be posting video and the video were not getting views, they were not getting subscribers, I was not getting watch time hours? So what was the point of putting a lot of energy? Even got to the point that I was posting every day and yet the channel did not improve. I guess I was doing the wrong thing. So guys, so what I did was that I started posting 4 video weekly back because I noticed that the moment I stopped posting my 4 videos weekly, my reach of my videos dropped. The moment you stop posting your video at least 3 videos weekly, 4 videos weekly, the reach of your video will definitely drop because YouTube has somehow used to that you are posting 4 videos weekly, and the moment you are not posting that 4 video weekly again, my love, your reach of your videos is going to drop. And once your reach of the video drops, definitely you are not going to be getting views on your video, you are not going to get subscribers on your video. So that is the reason why I always say that when you want to start your channel, you want to open your channel, if it's to 1 videos weekly you want to stick to, please stick to it. If it's 2 videos you can be able to upload weekly, you stick to your 2 videos weekly. If it's 3 videos, stick to it. If it's 4 videos, then you need to stick to 4 videos. This is what I have learned, and if you do this, it will help you a lot. So I started uploading back my 4 videos weekly, and guys, it's helping me. What I do now is that I upload 1 day off, 1 day in, and guys, it is working and I love it. So let me move to my second strategy of what helped me to get to this. So guys, another thing that helped me to get my 10,000 subscribers, if I'm not lying, is short videos. I started creating more shorts. I know a lot of YouTubers say that don't create shorts on your channel, it's ruin your channel, it's do this, it do that. My love, do what work for you. What worked for Mr. A will not work for Mr. B. I started creating shorts and it worked for me, and definitely I am going to be sticking to creating my short content. Yeah, there's views, a lot of views come from shorts, a lot of subscribers come from shorts. I would say that 5,000 of my subscribers came from short videos, if I'm not lying, or 6,000 6,000 subscribers came from short videos. And if you are creating shorts every day, create about 2 to 3 shorts every day. Create about 2 to 3 shorts every day. Don't just create shorts. Jump yourself to like a trendy topic, trending video, trending music challenge, trending stuff, like something that is useful to people, something that's sure that people are going to engage, because the more people engage on your shorts, the more your shorts go viral. Like one of my shorts went viral, I can't believe it, and that short gave me more than 1,000 subscribers. Like the short gave me 1,000, if I'm not even kidding, the short gave me more than 2,000 subscribers. That's how short is effective. Short content is very, very effective. It works, it does magic. So short is one of my strategy that I use to get my 10,000 subscribers. So it is working and I love it. So yeah, so guys, another thing that helped me in getting my 10,000 subscribers is that I started doing live streaming. I do my live streaming every day. I went live on YouTube every blessed day. I went live on YouTube. I make sure that I go live, and whenever I go live, I make sure that I interact with people, interact with viewers, get them to subscribe. And guys, they were subscribing. There's some of my live streaming I got 100 subscribers, 200 subscribers, 300 subscribers. Even there was one that shocked me, I got about 400 subscribers. And that is our live streaming is. We can get nothing less than 20 subscribers, 50 subscribers from your live streaming if you are consistent with it. Live streaming, it is working. And guys, I'm gonna be sticking to my live streaming because definitely I opened this channel because of live streaming and shorts and YouTube growth, and definitely I am going to be sticking to these 3 things that make me to open my channel. So yeah, live streaming have really helped me a lot. It's one of the, I would say that my 400 subscribers, 300 plus subscribers came from live streaming, and that is how effective they were. So yeah, it is working. So guys, another thing that have helped me is that have helped me to get my 10,000 subscribers is me engaging myself in a trending topic. I make sure that I create a video that is searchable. You don't just create content because you feel like creating content. You need to create something that will be useful to people, something that people will get an information from. You don't just create content that is not searchable on Google, because when you go to YouTube, you want to do something, the first thing you come to your mind is to search for a particular stuff. And if your content is not searchable, there's no how YouTube will recommend your video. If your content is not searchable, there's no how YouTube is going to recommend your video, except your video is searchable. So anything that make your content not to be searchable, it is not going to go viral. You are not going to get enough views, because most time YouTube is not even going to share your videos on the YouTube field. It's not everybody that are going to see your video there. But when somebody search for your video and your video have the title of what the person is searching for, definitely YouTube is going to show your videos to people. So make sure that you are creating a searchable content that is searchable, that viewers can be able to find the video and they will be able to engage in it. So that is it. Create a searchable content. I create a searchable content, and the tips is working for me, the strategy is working for me, and I'm going to stick to creating it. I'm going to street. Oh my goodness, you guys are not ready for me. You are not ready for me, because I'm going to be giving you guys back to back. Oh my goodness, searchable content, it work a lot. It gives views and it gives subscribers, it gives engagement. So make sure that you create a searchable content. Yeah, create it. So guys, one of the things that have helped me again is focus on trending topic, and make sure that I focus my energy on trending topic. If it's short content, I focus on it. If it's live streaming, my live streaming is doing well, I focus my energy on them. I focus my energy on my short content, it is doing well, I focus my energy on it. My searchable content, it puts energy, because I focus on a trending topic. I notice a lot of views on my content these days because I focus my energy on trending topics. So make sure that you focus your energy on more of trending topic. It's work a lot, it is working. So guys, another thing that have helped me is that I will create a very attractive thumbnails. What is a content creating without a thumbnails? I don't understand. You are creating a content, you don't know how to design a thumbnails, you don't have a good thumbnail that is representing your channel, then what are you creating? So make sure that you have a very good attractive thumbnails. Yeah, one thing you need to do is to put a searchable title. Yeah, when somebody discover your videos and they search for a particular content and YouTube recommend your videos to them, one thing the viewers are going to be looking at is the thumbnails. Is the thumbnails attractive enough for me to click on? Is the thumbnails even convincing enough for me to click on that videos? Because if I want to watch a video, I want to watch a film, I want to watch something, I will look at the thumbnails. Sometimes not even look at the title, I will look at the thumbnails. If the thumbnails are attractive enough, if the thumbnail what I want, is thumbnail giving me the vibe of what I want, then I will go ahead and say, okay, let me go for the thumbnails. I will just click on the video. So make sure that you create a very good attractive thumbnails. It will help you a lot. In this YouTube journey, there's no videos without a thumbnail, because YouTube algorithm, they work with like thumbnails, title, and your description, your hashtag, they work with it. It's not like Facebook that you just upload anyhow video, whether it's thumbnails on it or not, the video will go viral if the video wants to go viral. This is YouTube. You need to focus your energy on creating a very good thumbnails, create a very good title, focus your energy on trending topic, and that is it. You are going to do well on your YouTube journey. Guys, I am so excited. I don't know why. What made me to change my mind is that before I would just create videos. I will create videos because I want to create videos. Yes, I love creating content, because whenever I create content, I feel the kind of joy and energy in me. I feel happy whenever I create content. But it's not just about creating content. Is your content searchable? I noticed that some of the videos I've done before, they are not like a searchable content. They are not searchable. I just put the title I feel like putting, and I just do anyhow I feel like doing. There's no good thumbnails, so that give me low views. I was having 5 views, 3 views, 10 views, 15 views. Oh my goodness, it's very distressing. Like that thing there, you can distress someone. Hey God, imagine creating content, putting your energy on content, and you'll be having 5 views, 3 views, 15 views, 10 views. Oh my goodness, please God, never again. Not me, I beg. Don't waste your time on random content. Do not waste your energy on a random content. You are just wasting. You are going to spend 3 years on YouTube and you will not get monetized if you keep wasting your time on a random content that is not even a good content. Is not like a trendy talking. And again, please do not wait for you to be perfect. Don't wait for a good camera. Don't wait for a good tripod. Don't wait for a good tips before you can get your channel started. Start now. Start now. I know I am not perfect yet, but I know I am improving. I know my videos, the one I did yesterday, it was not perfect the way this one was going to be perfect, and the one I'm going to be creating is going to be more perfect. That's how what it is. Start from somewhere. I wasted my time on YouTube, I wasted my time because I was waiting for like, okay, let me have like an iPhone before I can be able to start my YouTube journey, because before I'll be able to be starting creating content. I said, okay, let me have like an iPhone, because I feel like my Android phone cannot give me the quality I need. But I discovered that the more time I waited for my iPhone, the more time is going. So start now with your Android phone. A lot of content creators start with their Android phone, and you should also start with it. I am still using my Android phone until I have money to buy the iPhone. Then you upgrade your level. That's how it is. So start from somewhere and you will go from there. So guys, what else do I want to talk about? Just look at me. Last month, May, I was looking at 50 subscribers on my channel. If I'm not lying, it's not even up to 50 subscribers. It wasn't up to 50 subscribers. So I was looking for like 50 subscribers so that I would start going live on YouTube and start gathering watch time hour. And boom, guys, my video went viral and I got, look at me now, look at me. In June, May, I was struggling to get 50 subscribers, and in May I was struggling to get 50 subscribers, and in June right now I am celebrating 10,000 subscriber plus, and I am going to 11,000 subscribers very soon. And I know that before next month I'll be celebrating nothing less than 15,000 subscribers. With this my strategy, it is working. Go ahead and apply it on your channel. It's going to work. You see all the things I mentioned now, they are working, and please go and try them out. And thank you all so much for watching. Thank you so much for staying tuned with Queen Alice Empire today. I'm so grateful. Thank you all so much for watching. And yeah guys, see you on my next video. Do not forget to hit the subscribe button, because you don't know what I have in store for you guys. I have a lot of things in store for us to learn and grow together. Drop your channel name in the comment section and tell me the present subscriber count that you have. Let's grow together. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and share this video with a creator that I think need this video as well. Thank you so much for watching.
She's painting pictures through your eyes.